Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send messages anonymously in Telegram. It's really simple and easy. So if you want to send anonymously messages in Telegram, so only that people can see, you want to show that I am sending the message, not anyone. You have to open the Telegram application here, and then in the search bar you have to search for this Whisper bot, and then you have to simply tap on this start, and now you can send the secret messages from here as well. But the best thing is you have to come on the group you want to send the message, double N bot, and then you have to type the message here, and then you have to, after typing the message, type at the rate again, and then type the username of that person in the group. In that group, I'm talking about the groups, and then only that person can see your name whom you are sending the message in the group. Nobody else can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.